Yogi Mahayogi Karupa Raje Gauranga Ardhanga Ganga Tarange Yogi Mahayogi Karupa Raje
Just looking at you, I'm still thinking you're little babies, but you're grown up. Wonderful, very nice. This exuberant expression of Samskriti, in the next few years, we will take it across the world. I want you to be at your best, not as performers, but as an offering. As a way to touch and transform lives. Lives that live just on the surface, to make them into more profound happenings, because that's all there is. Everything else that people value in terms of comforts, wealth, name, fame, these are all just cooked up in our minds. Only real thing is that we touch the deepest dimensions of life within ourselves and in some way facilitate the same for everybody else. What you're doing right now has the power to do that. We must always keep that in mind, that this is not entertainment. This is a profound art and science at the same time. If you fall into place as you're falling right now, it will do tremendous things to people. Thank you.